Hey, Michael, the Mercedes guy here, and this is an addendum to the heater valve reseal video. This type of valve is used on the 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115 cars, and 108s. The 114 and 115, they're a little better designed in that these valves are located under the hood, a lot easier to get to. But the addendum I'm talking about, I'm just going to take off this arm, and this arm is always at a right angle to the tab piece of metal, and you want to definitely index which way the piston is by making a mark right here with like a file. But the addendum is this. Sometimes it is a real pain to get this steel piece loose from the brass. It'll corrode on. Normally you can just get in here and pry it up. But I was working on a car, and man, I had a heck of a time, but I discovered this trick. Now you want to put the screw back in, order to not damage those threads. Come on. And you want to get that screw in there a ways, or you can damage the thread. So screw that screw in a ways. Then, and you have to be very careful here, because this is a slot in the brass, and you don't want to damage that. So what you can do to loosen up that index piece of metal, use a pair of channel locks and carefully pull up like that. As you noticed, it tipped the metal up. So now it's starting to get loose. There we go. It is now loose, and take out the screw and you can get that tab off. I'm ready.